This is Amazon and this one is also Amazon, but something is different. Text styles, fonts. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I want to teach you how to install your custom font to your WordPress website, or how to change your WordPress website's texts font family. Let's go. There is 4 ways to add your custom font to your WordPress website. Number 1, you have to use a WordPress template that comes with different fonts. For example, here in my themes, I'm using Ahura WordPress template. Today we are exploring the Ahura WordPress theme, known for its flexibility and ease of use. Ahura is designed to cater to various website types, from blogs to business websites, offering a user-friendly experience and responsive design. And one notable feature of Ahura is its typography options. User can select from a variety of pre-installed fonts, or they can upload their own fonts to personalize their website. This flexibility allows for complete control over your website, ensuring that the visual style aligns with your brand identity. With its robust features and controls, Ahura helps you to create unique and effective websites. You can get it on ertano.com/ahura. I have installed and activated Ahura WordPress template on my website. So I'm going to Ahura fonts in my website's dashboard or admin panel. So you have to click on add new to add your custom font. And here you can add and upload your custom fonts on your website. Here in title, I'm entering a name for my font. For example, Ertano or Roboto, the font that I want to install on my website, and click on add font variation. Here we can upload font types for font weights. For example, I want to use normal font weight here, and I want to upload my font files here. There is five types of font file. That's old version and new version of different browsers are using these files to show your own custom fonts on your website. So I have to upload them here. But just I have a Roboto regular TTF file. What about the other version of these files? We can do it. So we have to go to Google and type for TTF2, for example, WOFF file online. And there is too many online tools that we can upload our TTF file and get our WOFF files. So I'm going to select my TTF file here. And now I can convert it to WOFF. And also I can select choose files again, choose this file again, and I can convert it to WOFF2 or SVG, yes. And so another one, WOFF, SVG, TTF, EOT. Maybe I cannot do it. There is no problem. I will convert these two files and download them all. So I'm going, I have a TTF, SVG, and WOFF file here. Yes. So I need WOFF2 and EOT file. So I'm going to search for TTF2 EOT online. And I can use, for example, this website to convert my TTF file to EOT and click convert. It's uploading, converting, and then I can download it. And so I'm going to TTF to WOFF2 online. Yes, and Cloud Convert can do it also. I'm selecting add more files, and I want to convert it to WOFF2 and click on convert. Yes, it's going to convert my file, and then I can download these files. So I have 5 different formats of this file, and I can upload them all here in my WordPress dashboard. I'm going to select WOFF file, this one. Oh, I cannot upload this file. What I have to do? I can add custom custom format uploads in my WordPress uh, website, or maybe in theme setting, I can go to maybe global settings, allow upload font files. Yes, click on publish. Maybe now I can upload my files here. There is no way, no problem. I'm going to website, uh, my website hosting panel. So I'm going to website that I've bought my hosting panel from there. For example, my hosting company. Okay, I'm going to services. This is Persian website, but you have to go to your CPanel or direct admin. I'm going to my CPanel file manager, and if you don't know how to log in to your CPanel or your direct admin, you have to search in my website. I've uploaded a video about install WordPress, and I've taught you how to uh, log in to your hosting control panel. Yes, I'm going to public HTML here in WP contents in my themes folder. I'm going to my theme folder, and here I can upload a new folder, for example, Roboto, and I can go to this folder and upload all of my files here. For example, SVG, TTF, WOFF, and also I can download WFF2 and WOFF2 and the EOT file and upload them all here. So I have 5 formats of my fonts here in Roboto directory. Now I have to, how can I upload them here? How can I upload them here? Okay, I'm going to upload TTF file. Maybe it's not about format, No, it's not about format. It's about failed upload test. Why? Okay, let's try with another website. I'm going to rtano.com/ahura/wp-admin to my demo wp-admin. So here I'm going to, for example, one of these websites. For example, this website. Yes, I'm going to dashboard. And here I can select Ahura fonts, and add new my own custom font. For example, Roboto. Add font variation, and here I can upload this file. Yeah, I can upload these files here. Okay, WOFF2, TTF file, SVG file, and EOT file. Yes, and I can publish this font. Now I can go to my website, click on customize, or if you are in your WordPress dashboard, you can go to Ahura theme settings, and here you can go to style, typography, and you can select your added custom fonts here. For example, Roboto. And here my website is showing with my custom font. This is tip number 1. Way number 2. You can use Elementor to add your own font to your website. I'm using default font. It doesn't matter what theme or what template I'm using on my website. Now I have to go to my website. From edit with Elementor, I have to select size settings here, and I can edit and customize my fonts in this panel. In global fonts and typography section, I can select system fonts, and here I have too many fonts from Google Fonts, and I can install or use every font I want. For example, there is a Persian font, there is too many fonts from Google, and I can choose every font I want. I can change sizes, font weight, font transform, style, and everything I want for different parts of my website. Also, I can select update, click on update, and then I can go to edit with Elementor for a specific page. For example, I want to apply just one font to one of my texts on my website. So I'm going to edit with Elementor for my homepage. And here I have a title, for example, this title, and I can select style. In typography section, I can select uh, which font I want for, especially for this title. For example, this one, and it's selected just for this title. But for to have a best website speed you want, I prefer you to don't use too many fonts on your website. Maximum use 2 fonts, because it's downloading every time your users want to pay to open this page, or all of your pages on your website. So if you use, for example, 10 fonts, and every font have, for example, 300 kilobytes of size, so your user have to download 3 megabytes, uh, something like that, yeah, 3 megabytes of file to download and see all of your texts fonts. So it's better to use 1 or maximum 2 fonts on uh, all of your website, all pages are of your website. So it's better to edit your fonts from uh, Elementor settings, not from this section. Yeah, it's better to do it, but it's up to you. Tip number 3, you can add your fonts from Google Fonts. For example, here in my website, I'm not using, in this website, I don't want to use any professional theme. I don't want to use Elementor. I don't want to install any plugin, and I just want to add a font from Google Fonts, or my own custom font. I will teach you in next step in my customized theme, or um, just maybe on a free theme. For example, here I have 2023 on my website, and I've activated this font on my website. I don't have too many options to change my fonts on my website, and I want to add it directly with codes. So I'm going to activate this template. Then I click on visit website, and here I want to change these fonts to my preferred font. So we have to go to our CPanel file manager, or our direct admin file manager. Then we will go to WP content and themes, and here I have to select my theme folder. My theme directory is 2023. So I'm going to this folder, and here I have to add a new file. Which file? If your language is RTL, for example, Persian or Arabic or Pashto or something like this, you have to create RTL.css file. And if you are using LTR languages, for example, French, English, something like this, you have to enter LTR, or left to right.css. So create new file and right click and edit this file. It will load automatically based on your language. If you are using English for your website, this file will be loaded automatically on all of your pages. So you don't have to import or mention this file in another file. WordPress will detect and load this file automatically. Then we have to go to fonts.google.com. There is a directory for fonts you will love, yeah, I'm sure. Here you can select the font that you want. For example, let me select font I want, something different. Yes, for example, this one. And we have to select, click on Get Font and Get Embed Code for Web link. Yes, copy code. First of all, we have to add this part of code to our template header.php. We don't have any header.php file here, so we can go to templates and here we can select header.php. There is no header.php, so no problem. We can select on import and another, yes, we have to use another type of font import. Here in LTR.css, I will choose this line import, don't need style and style closure, just this line import URL, font family Pacifico, yeah. So in the next, we have to, for example, type body, comma a, comma div, comma h1, h2, h3, h5, h4, h6, span, text area, and also we can use star to include all of them and open this CSS. Yes, open this CSS style. So we have to enter font family, for example, Pacifico, yes, something like this, and then we can type importance here to make it important. Yes, and then save changes. I'm going to refresh my website, and here I have to, yes, I have a new font, Pacifico, and all of my texts on my website are showing with this font. And next one, in next trick, we can add our uploaded, our custom font files and upload them all on our website. For example, here I had Roboto with 5 different formats, yes? So I'm going to delete these codes. First, we have to upload these files on our template directory. So I'm going to add a new folder, for example, fonts. Then I will select this directory. I will click on upload and I will upload them all here. These 5 formats in file manager. Yes. Then I'm going to reload this page to be sure about all uploaded correct. Yes. Then we have to add these lines of code in our LTR.css file. For example, here. It shows what is font family. It was Roboto. Yes. Font source is fonts slash, what is the file name? Roboto dash regular.eot. And I will copy and paste it for all of these files. I'm importing different formats of this font. in my website. There is no need to import SVG and TTF. Yeah, WOFF, WOFF2, and EOT is enough. So again, body A or maybe star for all of CSS selectors. Font family is Roboto and important. Save changes. So I'm going to refresh my website. I have to right click and click on inspect, and here there is no errors. This error is for my fav icon file. It's not about my font file. And if you have any error here, you have to check for these files, or maybe for example, I've entered double E by mistake for this line. So I will get error here, 404 error. So you have to check for these files, these names and files paths. These are correct, exactly correct. So I'm going to refresh my page and there is no error for my font files. So I have added fonts, my own custom fonts to my website, to my own website in 4 different ways. And that's it. You can do everything with WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe us on YouTube.